Tô indo embora aí, parça. Falou.
É nóis.
Tchau, parceira.
Oh my god!
Lorna.
Traveling is way better when I'm using your arm as a chin rest while you scroll through TikTok.
Oh!
Betrayal is watching you hand over my favorite toy like it's community property, and I'm definitely keeping score. I'm the one who gets spoiled, but I'll make an exception for the people who always accidentally drop steak under the table. Excuse me, but your lap looks like a premium VIP lounge, and I've decided to self-invite.
Hi!